Okay, this is the box of materials. First thing, it's pretty stout, nice and heavy. Boom. Gosh, I guess we're gonna hope that these work, even if I have to ship the Glowforge back. They won't have to do some extra ProofGrade. ProofGrade, very obvious, the QR code on them. And that's interesting. We got some stout. That is some stout cardboard there. This is U-line. U-line. And that's a nice heavy feeling of this is some nice ProofGrade walnut. We have ProofGrade natural leather. That's the top one. And oh, that's beautiful. Nice thin sheets of leather. Smells like my dad's shoe factory. We have walnut, 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 and walnut, 1/8. And here is, I know they really worked hard sourcing the birch plywood to really get it right. So we have some maple MDF plywood. So we got some maple MDF plywood. We have some ProofGrade Beta maple plywood, just 1/4 maple plywood, plain plywood. 1/8 maple, no, that was 1/8 maple plywood. 1/8 maple plywood, ProofGrade Beta. And this is maple plywood. And this is walnut veneer. Oh, that's nice. Walnut veneer and maple veneer together. We can do inlays out of the box, kids. And this is clear acrylic, 1/8 ProofGrade Beta. And this is where the heft goes. Really nice. 2 1/8 sheets of acrylic. And that's the ProofGrade. Beautifully, smells great. Smells like a new factory. I don't know. Reminds me of the shoe store at the shoe factory that my dad worked at. It was good. Okay,